This 2018 Dutchmen Coleman Lantern 274 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 28 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 10. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Dutchmen Coleman Lantern 274 BHS is 4,694 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.